Dear friends, field intensity at a point of electric field can also be defined as the negative of the potential gradient. What is meant by the potential gradient? Hello dear friends, myself Ratnesh Shukla. Welcome to all of you in our new fresh lecture of electric potential. Dear friends, today we will discuss about the electric potential gradient and what is the relation between the field intensity and the potential gradient. Dear friends, just consider कीजिए that there are the 2 points A and B. There are the 2 points A and B, which one are separated as a very small distance delta x in the field of a positive charge plus q as shown in the figure. Dear friends, due to the positive charge plus q at point A, just assume that the potential is VA, and at point B, potential is VB. Now, potential difference between points A and B, that is VA minus VB equals delta V. And just recall in your mind what is the meaning of potential. Electric potential in the field can be defined as the amount of work done in order to bring unit positive charge from infinity to that point. So therefore, what is the meaning of VA? Meaning of potential VA is that amount of work done in order to bring unit positive charge from infinity to point A, and similarly meaning of potential VB means amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to point B. Hence, the meaning of potential difference VA minus VB is that amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from point B to A. So note down, the potential difference delta V means amount of work done in order to bring charge from point B to A, and work equals, you know very well, force into displacement in the direction of force. Therefore, F electrical, here force which one is working on the point charge is electrical force, which one is directed in this direction from A to B. So F electrical into minus delta X. Dear friends, minus sign is used because electric force and displacement both are oppositely directed, and you know very well electric force working on the unit positive charge in the field is defined as the intensity of electric field. So in the place of F electrical, you can also place average electric field between point B and A. So further note down, potential difference delta V equals minus average electric field into delta X. Delta V over delta X equal to negative of the average electric field. Now just consider that the separation between point A and B is going to be 0. That means point B is going to coincide with point A, right? In that condition, the average electric field between point B to A would be equal to the actual intensity of electric field. So in the place of average electric field, we can write as the capital E. So now if delta X tends to 0, E average is going to be equal to actual electric field or field intensity. Okay. So note down, limit delta X tends to 0, delta V over delta X equal to negative of the electric field. Dear friends, this one term, limit delta X tends to 0, delta V over delta X is known as the potential gradient. In mathematical way, you know very well, this term also can be written as the ddx of V, differentiation of the potential with respect of the perpendicular distance. So we can also write down as dV over dx minus sign, okay, equal to electric field. Negative of the potential gradient is equal to the field intensity, or you can say the differentiation of the electric potential with respect of the displacement is known as the potential gradient, and it is a vector quantity. Dear friends, although electric potential is a scalar quantity, but potential gradient is a vector quantity. Its unit is, note down, unit of potential gradient is equal to the volt per meter, and it is also the unit of intensity of electric field, because this one is equal to the negative of the potential gradient. Dear friends, following points should be noted carefully, that the intensity of electric field is directed in the direction of decreasing potential. ओके, यहाँ से आप देखिए ये रही डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की, और इसी डायरेक्शन में अगर बात करें पोटेंशियल में डिक्रीमेंट आने वाला है, पोटेंशियल डिक्रीज हो रहा है। अगर बात करें पॉइंट ए पर जो पोटेंशियल है उससे कम पोटेंशियल पॉइंट बी पर है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन में बढ़ने पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिक्रीज होता है। राइट, थैंक यू।